Okay, I have the site laid out based off of Sprig Parker's plan. This is all in preparation for Tony, the trail maker. These paths are 6 foot wide. I just entered through the main portal, whereas there's some signage and insect hotel. There's the Groundhog Hill to the left. We've got a trail going into the center of something that sort of resembles a peace sign. Now, circling around, headed straight for the creek. Now I'm parallel to the creek. Here's another side path to the center. That pile of leaf mulch pretty well occupied the spot on her plan, so I used it. Sort of serpentine little route here coming off of the bank some, offering this area for some planting. And now back over to an area that is pretty close to the creek bank again, kind of designed for a deck right in here, an overlook. This is the back corner. This area is a little wider, and it's where the vault for the water valve will be. And now we're looking up on the bank, making a turn. Here's one more long path that goes to that center section. And then I'm back on the 6 foot path. Those inner paths are 4 foot, by the way. And leaf mulch pile was right in the way on this one, so I kind of went over it. And back out onto the road.